You want to play the Elder Scrolls 6, but it's never coming out. Hey guys, I'm TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we're back once again taking a look at how I made this cool Minecraft redesign of the inventory, which is really cool. I absolutely love doing these like redesign, revamp things, reskins, whatever you want to call them, retextures. I love them. And today I did like a little beach theme, kind of. I don't know. It just looks like a beach theme to me. It looks like some sort of, house along the beach, So that's what it is. First of all, we have, I break this down into like four different pieces. So we have the brick-like, sandstone-looking texture. Then we have the wood. Then we have the red flags and the green, like, umbrella, parasol, thingamabobs, whatever that stuff is. And the really important thing to me here was I didn't want to use that many colors, so I kind of wanted to keep it just to as minimal colors as possible. So we have the light tan, we have the brown, the red, and then the green, and then their respective like shade and highlight colors. I think one of the coolest pieces about this is that unlike the regular default inventory, it kind of has a lot of different shape to it. So you can see it kind of like protrudes upwards, and then like the wood kind of curves around a little bit, and the flag drops from down below, and I just think it looks really cool. I like the way that it kind of sticks out and protrudes, and I think that's a big part of like pixel art, to show shape and to show like, character. Don't be afraid to make things look a little like messy and protrudy and like stick outy, whatever those words are that I'm trying to say. But that's a really cool thing. And also the silver color for the inventory, like grid spacing lines and whatnot and all that mess and whatever you call it. But that's really cool as well. So I kind of thought of that as the metal wiring for the umbrella parasol thing on the, what's that thing called? It's like this thing that's on the side of an RV as well. What is that? Why can I not think of what that is? It's just like a overhang tent thing. I don't know what that is. But either way, I think it looks really cool. And to be honest with you, the entire thing was inspired because I wanted to make something that looked like that. So I think it looks really cool. And that was kind of like the centerpiece for the entire piece, which is really cool. So I think the only thing I can say is for today, I want you guys to have an idea, but not necessarily a vision. So I think a lot of the times people get like stuck on like, oh, I want to make something that looks just like this, and then you get into it and you're like, okay, well, you feel like creatively stifled. You can't like do exactly what you wanted to because you had an idea going into things already. What I'm gonna say is I want to just have a singular item. So like, if you want to make a room, like a pixel art for a room for a game you're working on or something, and you're like, okay, well, what furniture am I gonna put in it? Don't like, okay, I'm gonna make a room that looks like this, kind of go off something really super basic and then expand it as you go. I think it looks really kind of cool sometimes because you do things you weren't thinking about. When I first started this, I wasn't planning on adding the wood. So what I mean is, like, go into it, make the room, and then go, the first thing I want you to do is go, okay, well, I want to make a room because I want to put a fireplace in it. So then you put the fireplace in, and then, once you're in the fireplace, okay, what now? Now you just do whatever you feel looks good around that fireplace, which is how I made this, which is really cool. So all the times you don't have to have like a whole big idea going into things. Sometimes I think it kind of like stifles you a little bit and like, kind of throws you off. I'm not saying it's never good to have an idea of going into something, but I kind of just like the free aspect of just, okay, well, I wanted to make a little parasol tent thing, triangular, whatchamacallit, and then the rest of it will just come after that. So I just thought that's a really cool idea, and I want to share that with you guys. So you go ahead and enjoy the rest of the speed art, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. So that is how I made this pixel arts Minecraft inventory thingamajig with the parasol tent thing up at the top. I hope you ladies and gentlemen enjoyed it. Let me know down below. As always, thank you guys for all the love and support. I will see you guys in the next one. But until then, bye-bye.